One day, I was walking around one of my salesperson's cubicle when I heard the following. Rebecca, if I can get you an expedited installation, and I don't know that I can, will we have your business? Wow, someone had put into practice what we had been teaching and learning. I stood there until my salesperson hung up. Then I gathered all the salespeople in the office around his cubicle and had that salesperson who had just delivered that great closing describe the call he was just on and repeat the closing for the group. This may sound a little over the top, but that's how you build a team of winners and a winning team. Praise the behaviors you want to see again. Praise them in public and praise them enthusiastically. For the salesperson, nothing is more motivating than to be lifted up in front of their peers, especially by their boss. It reinforces the behavior you want to see, and it also motivates your other salespeople who want to be lifted up in public as well. Keep your eyes and ears open constantly. Look and listen for your team doing something right. Sales leaders, sharpen your awareness skills of what's going on in the daily activities of your sales team so you're ready to catch them doing something right.